We have with us Vineet Seth, Managing Director of Mastercam. So many thanks for speaking to us.
Most welcome. I'm glad to be speaking to you.
Let's start off by talking about Mastercam. What are the operations like? What is your presence? And we'll come to Bihar and Bihar Business Connect after that.
Absolutely. So Mastercam is a technology company. We are a software development company, software company that deals with running CNC machines. So we are in the subtractive as well as the additive domains now. We help people produce parts that run any industry, anything that you touch and feel, right from a bottle to an aircraft engine that you might use, and everything in between uses CNC machining, and the programming is done by Mastercam. Mastercam is a close to 40 years old company based out of Connecticut in the US, owned by Sandvik now, which is a global leader in cutting tools and metals and mining, and we are owned by Sandvik Group now. It has been at the forefront of computer-aided manufacturing for the entire 40 years of its operations. We're the best-known brand in this segment, and we are present in nearly every country across the globe, with offices across the globe as well as partners who have been with us for decades. So in short, that is what the company is. Mastercam in India, as Mastercam India, has been just over 8 years old, and we have operations in 12 cities. We have more than 6,000 customers, and a number of users, thousands of users who use our software on a daily basis to produce anything and everything that you might use, touch and feel, or even eat. You'll be surprised that CAD/CAM, or CAM specifically, is used to cut molds that are in the bakery industry. So anytime you eat a biscuit which has any design on it, it's probably cut on Mastercam. Any chocolates that have any designs on them, when your kids use that, eat that, it's probably cut, the mold has been cut on Mastercam. The electricity that you are using, the power generation units that have been machined, they have been machined on Mastercam. The aircraft that you fly, the engines, the turbine blades, various parts that go into an aircraft have been machined on Mastercam. So it spans...
There's a little bit of Mastercam in everything.
Everything.
Okay, let's talk about Mastercam in Bihar. What is your presence in Bihar? What brings you to Bihar Business Connect? What is the sense you're getting, and what is interesting from what you have picked up since the morning? What are the big takeaways for you? Let's start off with your presence here. Do you have any presence in the state right now?
We have a presence in 149 ITIs, government-run ITIs. And thanks to the initiative from the Bihar government and the House of Tata Technologies specifically, we have been a partner to Tata Technologies that have been in the process of uplifting, upgrading, and upskilling the workforce of Bihar, specifically through ITIs, to modern technologies. So as you know, ITIs have traditionally been for various traditional trades like a fitter, a plumber, or an electrician. And if you really look at it, these people who used to come out of ITIs have been working in the industry, running machines. And they got there after a few years of having been trained on that. And this envisioned program by the Tata Technologies, brought the industry to the colleges, to the ITIs, so that the students who are studying there or who are going to be studying there come out having learned what the industry is actually using. So they're more relevant and they get jobs easier, they can become entrepreneurs faster, and they can go out and kind of provide the technology to the world that the world is actually using, the industry is actually using.
I wanted to ask you, so that's a skilling part of it. You're going to different institutes. What about, are you doing any bit of that software development in India, or any plans to do that? Is it already happening? And which are the states, which are your main locations here?
In terms of sales offices, it's a sales office. Software development is on the anvil. We were very close to opening an office just before COVID, and then COVID happened. The plans had to go back on the back burner, unfortunately. But yes, it is back on the agenda. We are hopefully going to start doing something very soon. I cannot commit on what will happen in this state as regards to software development, but Indian software development will happen. And I'm sure everywhere I go, I see talent coming from this state. So I've had in the past colleagues, and I still have colleagues who are from here. I'm certain that there will be colleagues that would be that would contribute to that effort from our company as well.
Mr. Seth, before I let you go, I wanted to ask you, what is the advantage Bihar according to you, and what are your future plans for the state?
The future plans are very positive, I would say. In terms of resources, Bihar has the biggest advantage that Bihar has in the country. And if I take that forward, rolling forward, Indian advantage is in its resources. When you look at the global situation today, everybody is looking at resources coming from somewhere, and India seems to be well poised for it. And within India, Bihar seems to be the best poised for talent and resources. So in a way, Bihar is the resource capital for the world going forward. Our plans are to equip, empower, and give more knowledge, skilling to the people who are studying here, or who want to upgrade their skills, learn better skills, and make them more employable and better entrepreneurs going forward. So the plans are very positive.
Mr. Seth, thank you so much for speaking to us. Thanks a lot for your time.
Thanks a lot.